how to fix messages not showing notification on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So after click on notifications, scroll down and click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, you will see make sure notification button lock screen show notification button is turned on. So after enable show notification button. So after enable, go back, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on app notification. So after click on app notification, so you will see click on app and turn on this button. So after turn on notification button, and after turn on notification button, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix messages not showing notification on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.